we started 5 months ago, and they've been popular because it's a real Mexican cuisine. It's real recipe for my mother. Tacos al pastor is marinated in adobo sauce 24 hours before we come in. So that means yesterday I doing all the process. Today I doing the birria. The more popular is the stew, Mexican.
Real meat, and they come in here and we start chopping. We prepared the meat for the birria tambo, and I got it oil. This oil, what it does is for the fresh tortilla. I'm sorry. 3 ounces the meat for each taco, real meat, and then the flavor for the stew. Over here, 16 ounces cup. Real fresh red green chili, fresh red chili. I doing red onions, cilantro, squeezed lemon, and we doing beef. Then la birria combo. And then it's ready. Oh, I do this like little tacos. See? Look at that. Look at that juice coming out. Very nice. Oh my god. It made me hungry. See how crispy it is? Tacos la mordida. Don't be confused, taco la mordida is the only one. Make it nice, crispy, birria tacos, tambo. And there we go. Good. Spoon, lemons, and 1 leaf for the birria. And this tacos la mordida. Cuisine, we got a barbacoa, it's beef. We got a tacos asada, it's another beef, and we got it al pastor. I mean, it's 4 items we have it. Yeah, 5 to 10, most of the 5 to 10, Wednesday to Saturday, and then it's be like, sometimes we done early, about 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock. I'm surprised. This grow up a little bit more and more and more. Lines is, you know, thank you God. The popular, I guess, is the flavor from the tacos. And then they start for the flavor, and I started from there and be popular because now the birria taco is the popular now in United States, I mean, for the west side, you know, and it's popular. It's one of those nice dishes. I'm from Durango, Mexico.
And did birria come from Durango?
The birria is coming from Guadalajara, Mexico.
Okay.
And
Tell me how it started.
they started a long time ago. They prepare in penca de maíz, cover in the earth, and 12 hours cooking the birria. All the juice coming out from the beef is the consomme. They can be both. It's goat meat or beef meat or cow meat. I use beef, but the popular is technically is goat.
But obviously Americans probably aren't used to goat, so.
Exactly. In America, we're doing more focus on beef because it's more popular. Some people they don't like goat. Some people love beef, and it's the flavor is coming from. Well, my mother started like 30 years ago for this recipe, the tacos al pastor, and it's his recipe, and it's coming for 30 years. And when I little kid, we got a little taco in Mexico, and I come in America, and I sophisticated more quality, more presentation for the people, more for the community. And that's what the community like, you know. For me, that's a challenge to bring my mother's recipe, come into America and see what they taste, the real Mexican cuisine. We got it two sauces, red sauce and green sauce. It's coming in the scratch. Every day we make it. It's red onions. Some people like white onions, but for me, red onion is more flavor. We put it habanero with red onions, like picolines, and it's nice for the birria. Some people they love it. Some people they scared about the habanero because it's a little spicy. But be honest with you, when they mix it together, the explosion in your mouth is, I mean, it's another level of the taco. It's nice. I can tell you the people when I make my food, I can tell the people when they buy it, I see the face happy. That's what might make me happy.
So the gringa is like a quesadilla, like folded in half with meat, and it comes with, depending on the meat that you decide to order, we have four. We have birria, asada, and pastor, and barbacoa. The beef ones will be garnished with cilantro and onion along with habanero if that's what you'd like to be on the gringa as well. And then for the al pastor, it'll be garnished with pineapple, radishes, cilantro, and onion. And it's basically like a 12-inch flour tortilla folded in half with like the meat and then the cheese. And I'm pretty sure like nobody else specifically here in Albuquerque, nobody knew like what a gringa like really was. And I'd like to say that it was Tacos La Mordida that really like brought the popularity because of that. But yeah, so a lot of people decide to order that as well.
So what you're saying is you've invented the gringa, or has that been around before?
The gringa is actually, it's more like many people consider it like kind of like a cocktail kind of thing. But the gringa, the ones that we know are the ones that are like a quesadilla with meat. Yeah.
So you guys have made it popular, is what you're saying?
Yeah,
Yes.
we make it popular. Like the mula, what's another one? Mula is very nice too. It's corn tortilla, followed in queso, and any meat you get is perfect too. Nice dish.
So how good is it?
It's real good.
Really good.
We came all the way from the opposite side of the city